In this video, we'll be looking into our tool GDA. So GDA is a relatively new tool when compared to APK tool and JADX. So this is the free version. We'll be only covering the free version in this course. Okay. So still with this free version, there are a lot of features in this. Okay. So let's run this, and this is the interface. Okay, we can just drag and drop the application like we did in our JADX. So let me drag and drop the VLC application. So it is scanning for that, and now we can see that we can just maximize this, and we can see that it shows us a chart of the dex elements. Okay, so how much percentage of methods, class, strings, type, field. This is pretty useful. And next, if you take a look at the side here, there is something called the basic analyzer. Okay, it gives us the basic information such as the manifest and strings, API, etc. So we can look at it one by one. So we can look at the base info. So this will give you some basic information like the permissions, the dex base info, metadata, and the file base. Okay, so it's not packed. And let's look at the certificate. Okay, so this is the app signature certificate, and if you look at the APIs, it will provide all the APIs used in this application. And all strings will give you all the possible strings in this app. If you are looking something particular like a flag or something, and this will help you a lot if you are doing CTF or something like that. And if you look at the app strings, we can see the strings which are hard-coded in the application. If you look at the all URIs, this will provide you the file path and the other URIs like the links used in this application. So if you look at here, it is using localhost. It has also a Play Store link, and we can see some files here. Okay, this is a file path, asset and license HTML, and we can also see a content provider here, and we can also see the Android manifest. And if you double click on this, we can see the manifest. And the most useful feature in this tool is we can filter this. Okay, so if you click on the receiver, it will only show you the broadcast receivers. Okay, and if you look at the click on the services, it will show you the services. And if you click on the permissions, and it will only show you the permissions. And you can use you can also click on the activities, and it will show you all the activities. Okay, this is very useful. And after that, there is something called the mal scan. So this will scan the application and checks if this is a malware. Okay, it will give you enough information to check this if it is a malware or not. Okay, if you look at the resources, we can see the class. Okay, this is just loading. I just clicked on this resources.arsc. So I think this will take some time to load this, so I will just pause this video. So it loaded the resource section, and we can see all the resources values, and we can see the XML. And if you look at the strings, this will show you the defined strings. Okay, so this is the basic walkthrough of our GDA. This is the basic walkthrough of our GDA tool. You can also check the other things, like if you click on tools, there are tools like APK forensic, path solving, etc. So if you click on this will take some time, and we can just wait. And this is the APK forensics tool in the GDA. So there are some bunch of tools built into this GDA. You can just check it out and try it out yourself. Okay, we will not be needing all these tools in our course. We'll be looking at some basic stuff. Okay, so you can just check out other tools if you want. And I guess this is pretty much self-explanatory. In almost all the tools, you can just easily drag and drop things and find out how these tools works. So I just made it because if you are a complete beginner, I want you to get familiar with this tool. Okay, so this is all for this GDA video. We'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.